video, we are going to talk about Clever Cat and Kick and King. Clever Cat makes the sound k, and Kick and King make the sound k. But when they are together, they make one sound, which is k. But why is it ck but not kc? Well, if it's kc, Kick and King can't kick his ball, because if he's kicking his ball, that means he'll kick Clever Cat. But if it's ck, Kick and King is at the end of words, and he can kick freely without hurting anybody. So that's why it's ck and not kc. You'll never walk alone. Walk on, work home in our heart, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone. That was amazing.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, yeah. And they were just playing football, weren't they?
Yeah, so good.
I know, brilliant. And what were they doing? They were kicking footballs. Have you ever wondered something?
What is it?
In the word kick, how do you spell kick?
K, K.
Yep,
M-P-N-E.
yep,
And there's C and K.
yeah, C and K. And C and K, Clever Cat makes the sound, and Kick and King also make the sound. Why is it CK but not KC?
Oh.
Have you ever wondered why?
No. K-C.
CK, KC.
C-K. What's the difference?
Well, they both make the same sound, which is...
So why would we have C-K, not K-C?
I don't know. Hello, I'm Kick and King, and I say...
I'm Clever Cat. I say,
I love to kick. You see what happened there? I mean, we read it as k, not kick.
Not K.
If it's CK, it's kick. If it's KC, it's kick. But together they make the same sound, which is... Well,
hello, I'm Clever Cat. And I say,
And I'm Kick and King, and I say, I'm going to kick my ball. Where did my ball go? Together we say, and I didn't kick Clever Cat.
yay!
She's okay.
I'm okay, yay!
Ah, so now we know why it's Clever Cat and Kick and King, not Kick and King and Clever Cat.
No.
If it's Clever Cat and then Kick and King's at the end of words, and he can just kick his. Or, for example, Clever Cat and Kick and King can be found in words such as
Kick.
like we kick a football. Ow.
Oh, sorry.
Okay,
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. And also in the word sick. Sick. And also in the word duck. Lick, duck. So Clever Cat and Kick and King, they make the same sound, which is... One more time. Is it KC? No, it is CK. Bye-bye for now.